What is going on, everybody? So today, another recovery, as you guys probably know, dressed in yellow, got the vest on. We got Bruce's rig right here, we got Ruby right here, we got Devin, and we got Jim, new to the channel, right over here. Looks like a guy is stuck with his girlfriend up in the mountains near Blackhawk, so, you know, do what we do, go take care of them, and see you guys there. Okay, so we're here at the Trailhead, airing down the Jeep, Tacoma, and Jim's Jeep. We're gonna scout the trail a little bit over here. So the RP is apparently somewhere like right over there by that telephone wire, not too deep in. Okay, so yeah, so airing down is for sure gonna be the move right now, and we might chain up, we might not. We'll see how far we can get, but go from there. Get back to you guys. Pretty beautiful out. It's snowing a little bit, but nothing too bad. Alright, so we just aired down, and the RP was only about like 200 yards away, but he's pretty stuck.
Does not have a receiver.
He's pretty stuck, let's just say that, guys. How deep is it over there, Bruce? Oh.
Found it.
Okay. I was gonna say we could get someone, because there's no, what's it called? Pendulum way over here. I think we're gonna have to get someone in front and back. Yeah, here's the scene. Dev, you want to snap some pictures for the chat?
Especially that far side is right next to the rocks.
Alright, we got Bruce, he's inspecting the vehicle. There are no recovery points, it seems like, besides one spot right here that we can shove a cluster hook in if we had to.
This guy out.
Yeah, that's the only thing, because if he's going to turn and spin.
If he turns and spins, I'm worried about damaging that guy. This isn't awesome.
Yeah.
It's what?
Not awesome.
Oh,
yeah,
no.
for sure not. You gotta take the time on the job to do some snow angels. This is great content.
Oh, rest of relaxation. Pressure on those.
Here.
Huh?
Right here.
You got a spot?
We got a tow point.
We got a tow point over here.
You do have a touch?
Yeah.
Right here.
Good find.
Look at, I cleared it out. You can see it.
Oh yeah. Good spot.
All you gotta do is look, right?
Yeah.
I just had to get cold.
Okay. So like I mentioned before, hook down to there, come back over here, back to Ruby with the view. I know, don't mention that. And then we'll get Bruce onto the back over here. And then the idea is basically just slide him over here. You guys have seen the pendulum numerous times, so this is a little different because we don't have a tree over here. But you know, you gotta makeshift it sometimes and work with the conditions. The plan is now to go from my winch to the front, still the same, but Bruce's rig right here, he's gonna be just putting tension on with a cable versus the winch, and I'm gonna pull him up, and it'll work as a modified pendulum. I'm sorry I'm out of breath, but this is tiring. Jim's getting in position, I believe, to anchor Bruce, but so far we're looking good. Snow is still coming down pretty hard though, so we're trying to get this as fast as we can, but as well as being as safe as we can, because #1 priority is getting home happy and safe. So, alright, we got the newbie, we got Devin locomotive right now.
Wrap that around his hook.
Like this?
And then we'll shackle that.
Gotcha.
But wait a minute. Try wrapping that, just run it through his hook, and then double it back on itself. Let's see if we got enough.
We want this on this hook?
No.
We want this
Run that line through his hook.
Oh, I see.
Use the RP's hook. Double it back so his hook will be sitting right there.
I see what
Double
you
it back on itself. And we'll see if
That pizza that we had with the RP after was some of the best pizza I've ever had.
We'll just do a straight
That's why I was like, that's what I'm going for lunch. I don't care.
Oh,
We had one.
This is why I want to
recovery. It was a.
Yeah.
Okay, I got your vision now.
Does it sit in the cradle nice and smooth?
No, it's gonna have to hold.
It just took a lot.
It's gonna be
Took
king
Adam and
sideways.
I winching at the
Is
same
it?
time, different ways to wiggle and.
I mean, no, actually, it's pretty solid. Check it. It's not full contact, but
That's
it's
perfect.
yeah.
Okay, now shackle.
Shackle these two together.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's he doing, Jim? So you always want to back it off half turn.
That is a fun turn right back. So then you're gonna.
And where's his hook?
Right here. Got it?
And always up.
Okay.
That way, if the hook breaks, kinetic energy is going to force it down into the ground. You've got it flipped upside down and that hook breaks, it's shooting off up in the air.
Okay.
So always have the closed portion up.
Okay.
That is great to know. Okay.
Now, license plate.
Yeah, I'm not too
Yeah, do we want to unhook the license plate? Alright, so we're all hooked up. Getting ready to start polling. Pretty beautiful still. Looking nice. Slowly snowing right now. Weather is approximately 18 degrees. So, got Jim in the back. Got Bruce pulling tension. Devin's going to be over here in a safe vantage point. He's got the radio for safety. And let's do it. Winching starting at 15:51. Let's do this.
Everything looks good.
Winching. You're moving, it looks good. Winching. Copy, shall hold or what? No, continue winching. Winching.
Front end is on trail. Try to pull up a little bit on your own.
Let's see if you can drive up.
Okay, good.
Alright, he's out of the hole.
So he got him out of the hole over here. As you can see, it's pretty freaking deep. He was very high centered, it looked like. Yeah, he hit dirt pretty deep, but you know, good old Ruby with that Smitty built pulled him out very nicely. Pretty happy about that. So looks good, and now we're gonna get him to go forward a little bit, and then we're gonna help back him out of the trail so he doesn't go right in this hole again. So here we go.
You want to be at 4L.
So go to neutral right
Put
now.
the transmission in neutral. Go to 4L.
Okay. And then go down to
Go
low.
forward a little bit more, just keep you crawling. There's a lot of weight to this vehicle.
Yeah.
He's got lots of room over here. Alright, we're having the RP go forward.
Driver.
Bruce and Devin got this covered nicely.
All right, back.
Straight into this driveway back here.
Passenger. Keep it coming. All right, good. Hold, hold.
Hold!
Watch that rock right there.
Yep.
You're gonna have to come straight for a little bit. Good to go forward.
Driver now. Hard crank driver. Straighten it up.
Good. Back in the Jeep, we're just getting the RP out. We're really close to Trailhead right now. He just needs a little bit more momentum to fire through this soft patch over there, but Not looking like it's gonna be too much work to do. There we go. RP's through. Look at Devin run. Look at him. Run, Devin, run. Look at him run. Get a little workout for today. Good work, team. RP is back on the trail. Got the power tank out, about to fill up the tires. Looking good. We're all going to be starting to air up right now and get home as fast as we can. Alright, so we got the power tank filling up, the Jeep. Everyone's filling up. Bruce is filling up the RP. Jim is filling up his rig. And I think Devin's got his tank also going for the RP. Just going up to 30 PSI. Also making sure our wheels are all cleared out of any snow so we don't get any wobbling on the way back. But update you guys when we're done. Alrighty, all teams heading home, 1700, 5 o'clock at night. Total time was 2 hours and 37 minutes from where we started. I'm gonna put the camera down and we'll get home.